Hey, what's up guys? It's Pokey, my man. So if you saw my previous video, I recently got the RTX 3070 from Colorful. It was the Advanced OCV edition, and today I will be vertically mounting it because recently I found that my glass panel was getting quite hot. I figured that if I vertically mounted it, it would at least distribute the heat away from the glass panel. And basically I wanted to show off the nice fan lighting at the bottom. So without further ado, let's get to it. I got the vertical bracket from Fantex. It came in this nice cardboard box, and opening it you can see all the contents inside, basically the instructions, the actual mount itself, and then the PCIe cable which connects to the motherboard. Here comes the assembly. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you a bit of the mining stats. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. So, let's get to the mining stats. So, for this test I used NiceHash because I'm a beginner. And also it's really easy to switch between the different algorithms. So, basically I tested a few algorithms, mostly for Ethereum mining, and tested with both standard and overclock settings, basically to see the hash rates. And what you can see on the screen right now is the Octopus algorithm being tested. This was using the NB miner, and this was with standard settings. So you can see I'm getting around 48 million hashes per second. So then I tested it with the same algorithm and miner with overclock settings. Basically I boosted memory clock to about this much, like 2000 more. So that gave me about 54 or 55 million hashes per second. So then after that, tested it out with Phoenix Miner, standard settings, and Dagger Hashimoto, so basically ET hash. That gave me about, let's see, 50 million hashes per second, around 51, let's say. Then of course, with the overclock settings, giving me about 60 million hashes per second. So you can see a significant increase in the hash rate. So afterwards I tested the same algorithm but different miner. So I used the GMiner CUDA for this test, and this is the standard settings, so it gave me about 51 million hashes per second. And then after that I tested the GMiner again with Dagger Hashimoto ET hash with the overclock settings. So this gave me about 60 million hashes per second. Alright, so here's the graph summary of the results. Basically, the black line is efficiency, and that refers to the axis on the right. And it's basically calculated by the hash rate over the energy used in watts. And basically the higher is better because it means you get more hash rate for less energy used. The bar columns are the average temperatures recorded using the HW info sensors, and it refers to the axis on the left. Then you can see the different algorithms and miners in the x-axis with their standard and overclock settings. And overall you can see that Octopus seems to be the less efficient, while GMiner CUDA seems to be the most efficient, also considering that GMiner CUDA is also using ET hash. So in any case, thank you for watching, and I understand this was a bit of a limited test, so just let me know in the comments below if you want me to check for other miners or algorithms to test out. Thanks. See you guys.